Hello students, let's do worksheet 4 of chapter Verbs. Read the following lines from a poem by W.B. Rance. The tree tops rustle, the tree tops wave. They hustle, they bustle, and down in a cave. The winds are murmuring, ready to rave. The skies are dimming, the birds fly low. Now pick out any 5 sentences or phrases that have an action word from line given above. Also write T for transitive and I for intransitive verbs in the boxes provided. So the tree tops wave. The tree tops wave. This is intransitive because the tree tops is a subject and wave is verb, and there is not any object after the verb, so it is intransitive. You will write here I in the box. The winds are murmuring. The winds are is the subject, are is helping verb, and murmuring is main verb, present participle. So there is no object here also, so you will write intransitive. The skies are dimming. Same here. There is no object here, so dimming. Intransitive. The tree tops rustle. So here is also not any object, so it is also intransitive. The birds fly low, so it is also not any object, so you will write intransitive. Now worksheet 5, a helping hand. Fill in the blanks choosing one of the words given in the brackets. My parents is or are going to a party. So what will come here? With plural subject, are will come here. So write are. My sister do or does not like dogs. So my sister is singular subject. If the subject is singular, you will use does. So my sister does not like dogs. I has or have done my work. So you will write I have done my work. The children was or were making a noise. So the children is plural. There are many children here, so you will write were. The children were making a noise. My mother, subject is singular, so you will write has. My mother has purchased a sitar. My brother is also a singular subject, so you will write my brother was playing hockey. Was playing hockey. My father, it is also a singular subject, so you will write is going on a world tour. So now do it yourself. Question number 1. Write down 2 things about each member in your family. One has been done for you. You have to write some sentences about your family members. I am helping you, but you will write some other sentences with the help of these sentences about your family members in rough notebook. So first is as given in the book. My grandmother prays regularly. She goes for a walk daily. Second is my mother cooks food for me. She tells stories at night. Next is my grandfather reads newspaper daily. He goes for walk daily. My sister goes to school by bus. She helps me in doing homework. My father plays football with me. He brings vegetables from the market. My uncle loves me a lot. He brings toys for me. Some more sentences you will write in rough notebook. Next question is, use each of the given verbs first as a transitive verb and then an intransitive verb. So there are 4 words: speak, stop, fly, break. So we will write some sentences. You will try to write some more sentences in your rough notebook with the help of these words. So first is, he speaks English. So there is subject, there is object, and there is verb, and there is object. So it is transitive verb. You will write TB in the bracket. Next is, he speaks. So वह बोलता है. So there is no need. वह बोलता है. This is a complete sentence. So he is subject and speak is verb. So there is no object after verb. So it is intransitive. Next sentence is, the driver stopped the car. So there is subject, there is verb, and there is object. So it is transitive sentence. The car stopped. Car रुक गई. So the car is subject and stopped is verb. So there is no object in this sentence. So it is intransitive sentence. Next is, fly. The children are flying kites. So there is subject, helping verb, and object. So it is transitive. The kites fly in the sky. So the kites is the subject, fly is verb. But when a preposition comes after the object, after the verb, so it is not the transitive sentence, it is intransitive sentence. So it is intransitive. Next is, I broke the window glass. So it is transitive because there is subject, verb, and object. Next is, the glass broke. Glass टूट गया. तो it is intransitive sentence. Next is, rewrite the following sentences choosing the correct verbs from the bracket. The teacher tell or told the children a story. So the teacher told the children a story. The burglar have or has escaped. The burglar has escaped. This information is or are important. This information is important. You will write is. She run or runs very fast. So she runs very fast. Sheila has write or written a book. Sheila has written a book. Raghav has win or won the trophy. Raghav has won the trophy. The debate was interesting. The debate was interesting. The ship sinks or sank in the ocean. The ship sank in the ocean. Now underline the helping verbs in the following passage. I know you know very well that what are helping verbs, but I want to tell you is, am, are, was, were, has, have are the helping verbs. So you will underline the helping verbs. The day was bright. So was. Children were playing cricket. Were. Amit was batting. Was. While Sonal was bowling. Was. Everyone got ready. Sonal threw the ball and Amit hit it hard. The ball, which was made of leather, hit a window in the neighborhood and the glass broke. An angry man came out. He was holding the ball in his hand. The children were frightened. Leaving the ball, they ran for their lives. I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.